Hello viewers, Global Window aji KMC Kohima Municipal Council la office la bahar de aigina ase KMC ra aji ekta important press conference call grina ase to iwi itula opore detail olop sai lobo.
Today we have called you here for some pressing issue where we have to tell to the public before any implementation or execution. We have 3 points of discussion with you. The first point is labor registration, or say registration of porters within Kohima town. The second issue will be market rate, and the third issue will be sanitation. So let me start with labor registration, or say porter registration within Kohima municipal jurisdiction. One thing very funny about porter people, Damali Nishnaikta bhi ase, that is during those days, porter Dusali Kwa Khanto longi cholai. But when it comes to these present days, even the porters, they are no more wearing longis. Sob manabi lompen cholai, jacket bhi cholai. During 90s, late 90s or early 20s, I mean, Duisali Khan Kohima, we can easily identify who are the porters. Who are the porters? Well, we ajikali saishikuli to sok manabi lompen cholai, jacket cholai. Itu kan differentiate kuribuli na parigina ase. There is some serious issue on this. There is some serious issue. Ki ase kuli do? Our people, we are very casual. Our people, we are very easily convinced. Our people, we trust everyone. Our people, we accept everyone. Aro ajikali Duisali Khan saishikuli do. We never know their background. Many of those porters may have different kinds of crime against them. They may be coming to Kohima for shelter. Itu karne aji Kohima Municipal Council do, we are coming up with a labor registration along with the uniform. Amigan porters kan ke uniform sob dibole ase. Aro registration bi kuribo. Why? Serious issue itu do amigan immediately address na kurisiguli do. We never know. There may be so many incidents had happened, but our society, we are very conservative. Maiki Khan hobi, Ama Khan hobi, Kumba may be a victim to some porters, but they never disclose to the society. They may never disclose to the society. Aro problem ekta, serious problem ekta amikan janibo lage kwa to, if there are some porters who have some crime against them in their state, boebra yete Nagaland hegina shelter kurigina Duisali Kambi kuri thakibo bi pare. To itu time de ajikali Swali Khan, Amma Khan cylinder ekta bi bukigine gorde jabole na pare. Khuri say 20-30 kgs of khuri bi gorde lui jabole na pare. Everything will depend on porters. To porters can, without knowing their background, without knowing who they are, where they have come from, ini andas para Duisali ase, porter ase, koigine gorde lui jai. Aru there are so many students staying in rented house alone. Ekla boha laga swali kan bishi ase. To itu kan, in the meantime, tengala saman lui ja time de, if anything happen, it will be risks bishi ase. Itu kan we are coming up with a registration of porters. Aro sab porters Kohima re kam kura kandu uniform cholabo. And in their uniform, I mean KMC cholabo, there will be a token number. Every porters will have a token number. Token number itu na thakya kan Kohima re kam kuri thaki kina durisi gule do, there will be heavy penalties. Hole bi itu kan public kan ke educate na kuri kina, if we go on, defaulters can get penalty loishe kule do, people public will na jane kine criticism bi bishi pai jai. Itu karne aji first point to labor registration or porter itu amikan laga itia present situation karne বেছি ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট আছে এইটো কাৰণে we are going ahead with labor registration and that registration will commence from 2nd December and uniform distribution launching will be after Hornbill. But before that, for a gap of say 10 days ahead of, we are going for registration. And the second point is regarding market rate. We have been keeping the public in darkness for so many years. Ajikali market rate saisugule, we have sent our inspectors to the market. Wholesale de kiman pai, sources pura kiman pura ahe, wholesale kan kiman pura de, aru retailers kan kiman pura de. Itu saisugule tu many items from the source till market MRP te saisugule tu per kg 100 bi kama laga item bishi ase. Say example broiler, ajikali broiler laga season ase. Source te saisugule to 115 to 120 per kg. Wholesale te aru haisugule to they are giving it by 180. Aru market te to 210. To per kg from the source till market ini 100 taka nisna tu kama laga item itu kan bishi ase. Itu kane public kan, if we were to tax the public in such a huge amount, just per kg 100 taka public kan ke harass kurisi gule tu, that we are not doing our part. Itu kane ami kan Kohima municipal council kan tu inspector kan, marketing inspector kan sob market te pathai kine rate kan sob calculate hoise, rate kan sob find in hoise. We will in a short while itu kan tu sob market rate kan tu ula bole ase. Itu karena for every items koi business kura tu profit kuri boli karena business kura ase. Hole bi random public ke ini ka taxing kuri thaki chukuli tu na hobo. Aru many items ami kan laga rate latest rate sai chukuli tu many items will be below Dimapur rate. Dimapur market rate pura bi below hobole laga ami kan banai kina ase. So in the near future, American defaulters can give market rate follow na Korea kan do, I mean strictly implement kuribo aro penalize kuribo le do. We are ready. And the third point is sanitation. When it comes to ULB, सबसे important to क्या से sanitation. When it comes to township or municipal, सबसे important to sanitation. American city town safa na thaki siguli to American la health bi bal na hobo, American laga city bi saboli bal na hobo. To Christmas bi ahi ase, Hornbill bi ahi ase, American tate bi penalties komba judi defaulters kan American laga guideline de American laga ki te jabo lage tate na hua kan ke to American penalty di bole ase. Say example, improper disposal of waste to defaulters can do 2,000 fine hobo. Littering, non-segregation of waste, it can do 1,000 penalties. Absence of proper waste bin, 500. Absence of proper waste bin, it will kill it. We are coming up with dustbin for every shops in Kohima. Eman dam na hobo, reasonable hobo, will be sob dukan de dustbin size bal ekta sob ke dibo. Aro to sob manabi to maintain koribo lage. Aro every shop should maintain takan laga dukan agere in front of their shop. They should be responsible. Itu kan customer kan ahi kine ki moila kuri kina jabo ta kan safa na kuri kina thaki na mi kan la inspector kan dikhiche gule du itu kan fine lobo kile fine lo ase gule du without fine discipline tu ulabole na pare. Example ami kan Nagaland bra Assam de jai Assam te ja time de Naga manu to beshi discipline hoi jai. After crossing Dimapur Nagaland gate, we are very disciplined till Guwahati. To kili discipline hoi kule do we know it. To ami kan manu khan ke bi blame kuri thakibo bi bare hole bi fine or penalty strict hoise kule do discipline to automatically ulai jai. Itu karone when it comes to sanitation the asogole to fine and penalties to thakiboi lage. Not only in the main town, colonies kan sabi nijur la nala da sabi manu kan rati te tekhan la waste to jama kuri thakibo manu guma bishi de nala de pilai. To ami kan nala to full of garbages. To itu kan bi garbages kan nala de jasikole to tate bra nala bi block hoi jai. So when it comes to sanitation, not only the stress of the main town from high school to Leary or from TCP gate to paramedical, it also covers the whole colonies. Aro vegetable vendors kan saisigule hoy te kan ke morom lagi te kan to ama kan ahigine beshi digdar bra sabji kan anibo timbar degree kuri kine jai bole bi te kan laga piche de saisigule to many of the vegetable vendors, street vendors kan saisigule to te kan laga mess garbages kan to ini randomly philai kine jai itu karone when it comes to penalties, it also covers the street vendors. Itu karone moi kan aji apni kan ke matia to itu kan public kan ke awareness na kuri kine age jai sigule public kan to na buji kine criticism bishi pai. And on top of that, ami kan Kohima de awareness bishi thakibo lagi ase. Awareness in the sense, ami kan Indian Constitution de Article 371 de saisugule to property tax to ami kan lobole to kotha hi nai. To without property tax ki development ahi bole parebo. The only revenue that we are generating is trade license fees. Khali itu hi pai kina ami kan Kohima chuli ase. Bole bi public kan ki bi itu awareness ami kan jaboli thakya to we should also pay service tax. Kile service tax ko ase gole to we may be having two houses, one in urban and one rural. Same material, same size with same design. Bole bi rural de thakya to moina de 1000 house rent pabole bi digdar. Whereas in urban, that same house may generate more than 10-20,000. Why? It's because of service charge. What are the services? Good roads, hospital bhi usore, bal school bhi pai, good schools, good hospitals, aro electricity hobe, ki hole bhi bal hua gane service charge para house rent bhi uthabole pare. Likewise, even the citizens of Nagaland should also realize that we should also in return contribute to service tax. It can be public awareness. American colony de each and every councillors itu nijor colony sensitize kuribole laga kam bi bishi ase. So if itu kan sob tik tak jaisi bole to hoy 20 years piche de American election conduct kuri ase. We are far behind the other cities or nation level de saisugule to American bishi you are far behind. When it comes to urbanization, national rate India laga rate 2023 saisugule to national rate is 36.36, whereas Nagaland is recorded as 67% urbanization rate de saisugule to American national rate pro American double urban de ahi ase. Rural charigine urban de ahi ase. Bole bi urban de ahi ha time de ami kan itu kan sensitization tik na thaki sigule to ami kan la urbanization to rapidly it's growing, but lack of ami kan financial hobby development hobby sab we are lacking behind the rest of the nation. To itu catch up kuribuli to what we have to do is we have to generate kuribo gole to in different ways they generate na kuribo gole to ami kan to naga manu to tax kuribo gole to allergic to tax na thaki kine khali trade license pura good road dibo pani thik pura dibi light thik pura dibi kosigule etu to na hobo aro itia la situation saigule to urban means all the urban like PWD hobi PHE hobi urban under khan to government to urban municipal khan ke dibule ase urban road khan maintain kuribole ami kan trade license pura paribo na na pare itu na pare so people public should also realize that we should also contribute back to the services that we enjoyed so these are some of the issues that we wanted to highlight and give it share it to the public so that before implementation they will understand the consequences and when execution comes they will also come to understand the problem of Kohima Municipal Council. Registration of labor or porters in order to regulate we are not going to give them any other rights but we are going to give right that they can execute within the Kohima Municipal Council. Ito risks kan bishi thakya kan ito kan kata kati kuribole otherwise labor department ase that is a different chapter but when it comes to municipal what is good for the public what is good for the citizens ito to American kurilibi I hope ito to there will be no implication in the later part we are only doing for the safety of the public and the citizens no so far we have not received any official complaint but we are getting some information so before anything happen prevention is better than cure we are coming up with a registration card in that I told you that we are going to have a token number we are going to have their names permanent address present address and their guardian according to ILP if it is under the directive of KMC they should in return give it back to KMC but so far there is no such give and take between the colonies and KMC benefit in the sense see if they are registered they are secured they have every right to work within the jurisdiction of KMC Indian citizens can work in any part of India but without security without knowing them we can not just randomly allow them to work but we cannot disclose everything in social media that fellow this fellow then another case will come so there are some unofficial complaint that these are the suggestion from the public that we should go with some registrations streamlining and not randomly allowing the porters to work in every nook and corner. We will start from 2nd December and launching of uniform will be after Hornbill. Registration is for 1 year validity. So whoever means there will always be some defaulters and those defaulters will come in the second phase. Our first phase will be from 2nd December till maybe 10th or we may give around 10 days for registration. Now the present market rate which we are going to come up with our broiler, layer, such type, no? Fish. I'm just giving you some example, like pigeon. Source is from those are not kg. It's kushi lump sum, but for layer source we are getting by 195, whereas retail they are selling by 260 at present rate. Then what is that? That means there are so many differences between the source and the retail. So we wanted to bring some check and balance for the benefit of the citizens. At present, we have some located area for street vendors. But after our markets, which are under construction, if those things were completed, we may not allow those street vendors. We have 3-4 categories, A, B, C, D, depends upon the shops. We took over the office only for 4 or 5 months. We have not yet finalized all those things. We have not yet audit for the last 1-2 years. Laborers, rough figure, it may be around thousands for the whole Kohima. When it comes to tax, that very word, Nagas cannot digest that word. So we are planning to come up with some other alternative ways to convince the public. First, we have to convince the public. Otherwise, even if we come in any form, they will consider it as house tax, this and that tax. So our foremost and priority is to educate the public, the citizens. So when you are using the service, you should also at least contribute something for the service that you are enjoying. No? Those things we have to convince the public.
The viewers kan moi kan bra deputy chairman of KMC wa kwanchna tinda pointers la majote first wala do ase labor registration de aibo local bi aro non local bi idula category de aibo jundu labor kan Kohima la municipality area de kam kore tai kan itia do uniform provide kurubo aro tai kan laga registration do 2nd December wa shuru kurubo aro 10 din tak tan ge time dibo aro itula pichide hornbill festival khotom hoa pichide tai kan laga uniform do launch kurubo aro tai kan bi at a nominal fee tai kan rabi idu purchase korina tai kan itia do idu uniform lot tai kan la registration card lot aro ekta token number thakibo which will make it convenient for the public to identify the porters. Itu ekta ase aro second wala do ase market rate. Itia moi kan laga Kohima la market rate te white meat consider korina that is specifically saina jaise gule wholesale ba shuru korina moan la public ke accessible hole la tak pungjam de rate to bishi uthi jai to itu labi tai kan bra KMC kan inspector kan bra itu ando regulate korina tai kan bra check korina itia do itula rate pi tai kan bra publish kurbo which will be very soon inia kan detail kuma di dishe aro itukla noy holibi last hola do sanitation la opore moi kan age din dibi bishi bar idula khota koigina aishe to itia bado sanitation laga defaulters kan mane moi kan dustbin kan balra segregate nokrina phila khan no issue dustbin khan khushi de philai dia khan aro especially nala khan de moi khan bra drainage khan de philai dia la itu khan ge defaulters khan ge penalize koro kuna with a maximum of 2000 rupees inya charge koro kuna bi janai dishe aro itu ikla nohai holbi moi khan bra Nagaland de moi khan bra tax la khota kuishe gule manu pishi rough round upon gre itula opore holbi moi khan public prabi hotai moi khan bra dikhi dage complain gre rasta bia ase pani khorde nopungji inya la complain gre holbi itu an sob to moi khan easily available access krole parole laga service tax la bitore ahe aru itu bi juldi government of Nagaland lot KMC kanra milai gna itu service tax employee guna ahibo guna bi janai dia ase aru deputy chairman rabi kuishe ki moi khan when we pay for the service tax we have a right to complain if not we don't have the right to complain to itu laga agenda do luigina mon la public khan gi bi janai dia ase ki itu charta juntu ase KMC la labor registration aro ekta wala do market rate laga oporde aro sanitation aro last wala do service tax la importance itu janai digina KMC ra itu press conference hold kurise to aha din de KMC khan ba itu rules and regulations do employee grina ahem de public ki cooperate kurigina itu rules can follow gurulela opore janai dia ase itia karne itu ase for more news and updates keep watching Global Window. This is Nufu Ayer with video journalist Ari Jinger reporting from Kohima.